What's going on, traders? It's Tyler here. Today we're going to be talking about CODX on the stock ticker. This stock has a 9.01 share float, so it's under 10 million. It's pretty optimum. We can see in pre-market here that it did spike up from about 89 cents all the way up to $2.25 before pulling back and ranging inside this zone before falling at market open right away. Did not even have a chance to shoot higher. So we'll go ahead and talk about this really quickly. Like I was just saying, in pre-market here it did form a triangle formation and was unable to break out and broke below the moving average and VWAP simultaneously right here, as you can see, right at about $1.80, and we broke below. It came back up to retest and got rejected and moved lower, and we can see throughout the day that it just kept moving lower and lower. I'm sure a lot of people got trapped up in here. Hopefully you did not. I wasn't even going to talk about this one today, but I will because I know a lot of people traded it. So basically, we're down here. This is after market hours. We're at $1.15. So we are a little higher than what we started earlier today. Let's go ahead and start by drawing our support and resistance. We got our support down here to $1.08 about. We have our resistance up here at $1.38. And then we have our median at $1.23. And again, the range is very small right now because we did fall very far back down. So we'll go ahead and zoom in. Now, if you're looking to go long on this tomorrow, whatever the case may be, what we're going to want to see, first things first, is we want to see that bullish momentum return, and we want to see us break back above this median at $1.23. We want to see that momentum push us back above that $1.23. So have an alert set there so you know when that happens. Next thing we want to see is it pull back, like always, and retest off that $1.23. And then we want to wait and watch it and see if that bullish momentum returns. That way we know that we're not going back down like this. Once we see that momentum return, what I do is I have my order ready right above that pullback point. So that way when the momentum does kick in, once we see those big green bullish reversal candles, that's what we want to see. And once we see that momentum kick in, we ride that wave up here up to $1.38. Now for me, I'm going to sell either all my position or 3/4 of my position, and I'm going to wait and watch while this is happening. I'm going to wait for us to come back down and retest off this $1.39. And then I want to see a repeat, just like what happened here. I want to see that happen here as well. So again, I'll have my order ready right above that pullback point. So that way when that momentum does return, I'm ready to go. And I can ride that wave up to this next resistance at $1.58. Now, another thing, I do want you guys to keep in mind that the VWAP is up here at $1.58. And personally for me, I never really like to trade stocks unless we're above the VWAP and the moving average long. I don't want to trade stocks long if we're not above the VWAP. So really for me, I'll be watching it here. But I'll give you an example. Let's say the VWAP came through here. What I would do again is I would still be watching this. I'll probably have an alert set here at about 158. And when that does break, just like down here, I'll be watching for that stabilization. Once we see it, can't remember which color I used, there we go. Once we see that stabilization, I put my order right above that pullback point. That way I can ride that wave of momentum up to this next resistance up here at about 180. So these are the moves that I would look for tomorrow. The main levels that I'd be watching is 123, 138, and 158. So those are the levels I'll be watching for tomorrow. For short play, there's no short play here. Just definitely watch out for it breaking below this 108 zone right here, because it would most likely, if it gets rejected off this 108, if it breaks below and retests here and it doesn't come back up, that bearish momentum is probably going to push it back down here to 88 cents where it came from. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, please be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Helps me to keep doing these videos for you guys. And be sure to share this video with your friends. I really appreciate it. Have a wonderful day.